Good morning, students. Today I am going to start the chemical reactions of alkyl halide. So, here 8 chemical reactions are given in your textbook. These chemical reactions are known as, on page number 220, these chemical reactions are known as nucleophilic substitution reactions of alkyl halide. 8 reactions are there of nucleophilic substitution reaction. First one, reaction with sodium hydroxide, aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Then reaction with sodium alkoxide, reaction with silver salt of carboxylic acid, reaction with excess of alcoholic ammonia, reaction with alcoholic potassium cyanide, reaction with alcoholic silver cyanide, reaction with potassium nitrite, and reaction with silver nitrite. Now one by one, let us start with action of aqueous solution of sodium or potassium hydroxide. This is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Action of aqueous solution of NaOH or KOH. This is an example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. For example, when methyl bromide is boiled with aqueous solution of NaOH, the halogen atom of alkyl halide is replaced by OH. The halogen atom of alkyl halide is replaced by OH and it produces methyl alcohol. When methyl bromide is heated with aqueous solution of NaOH, it produces methyl alcohol along with NaBr. Similarly, when ethyl bromide is heated with aqueous solutions of sodium hydroxide, it produces ethyl alcohol and NaBr. Third is a secondary alkyl halide, and fourth example is an tertiary alkyl halide. Isopropyl bromide, tertiary butyl bromide, when heated with aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide, Br is replaced by OH. It produces alcohol, isopropyl alcohol and tertiary butyl alcohol, and side product is sodium bromide, NaBr. This is the first nucleophilic substitution reaction using NaOH or KOH. Okay. One more example, using moist silver oxide. What is the action of moist silver oxide on alkyl halide? When methyl bromide is heated with moist silver oxide Ag2O H2O, it is known as moist silver oxide. Ag2O plus H2O, it is known as moist silver oxide that produces silver hydroxide, that is AgOH. When methyl bromide is heated with moist silver oxide, it produces methyl alcohol along with AgBr. This is formation of methyl alcohol and side product is AgBr silver bromide. When ethyl bromide, isopropyl bromide are heated with moist silver oxide, it produces, ethyl bromide produces ethyl alcohol and isopropyl bromide produces isopropyl alcohol, similar to that of NaOH or KOH. Okay. Now, next reaction is reaction with sodium alkoxide. This reaction is known as Williamson synthesis reaction. Reaction of alkyl halide with sodium alkoxide. What is Williamson synthesis reaction? When alkyl halide is treated with sodium alkoxide, when alkyl halide is heated with sodium alkoxide, it produces simple as well as mixed ether. This reaction is known as Williamson synthesis reaction. So, this method are useful for the preparation of simple ether as well as mixed ether. Let us see simple ether. When methyl bromide is heated with sodium methoxide, it produces dimethyl ether. Byproduct is NaBr. When ethyl bromide is heated with sodium methoxide, it produces diethyl ether along with NaBr. These are the examples represents simple ether. Now mixed ether. When methyl bromide or ethyl iodide, any halogen you can use for this reaction, any halogen, but the most reactive halogen is iodine. When ethyl iodide is heated with sodium methoxide, it produces ethyl methyl ether, that is methoxyethane, ethyl methyl ether along with NaI. Or when sodium methoxide is heated with ethyl iodide, it produces ethyl methyl ether along with NaI. Okay, so these are the mixed ether. Now next reaction, action of alcoholic silver salt of carboxylic acid. Reaction of alkyl halide with silver salt of carboxylic acid. For example, when silver acetate silver acetate, alcoholic solution of silver acetate. When alcoholic solution of silver acetate is heated with methyl bromide, when it is heated with methyl bromide, it produces methyl acetate and AgBr. When alcoholic solution of silver acetate is heated with methyl bromide, it produces methyl acetate along with AgBr. When alcoholic solution of silver acetate is heated with ethyl bromide, it produces ethyl acetate along with AgBr. What happens in this reaction? Ag is replaced by ethyl group, alkyl group. So it is a substitution reaction. It produces ethyl acetate. One more example, when silver propionate or silver propanoate, when it is heated with ethyl bromide, it produces ethyl propionate along with AgBr. Okay. Next reaction, action of excess of alcoholic ammonia. Action of excess of alcoholic ammonia. या रिॲक्शन टेक्स्टबुकमध्ये एकही रिॲक्शन दिलेली नाही. टेक्स्टबुकमध्ये एकही रिॲक्शन दिलेली नाही आहे, त्यामुळे व्यवस्थित बघा. ॲक्शन ऑफ एक्सेस ऑफ अल्कोहोलिक अमोनिया when methyl bromide is heated with excess of alcoholic ammonia. In this reaction, Br is replaced by amine group NH2 group and it produces methyl amine. When methyl bromide is heated with excess of alcoholic ammonia, it produces methylamine along with HBr hydrogen bromide. When ethyl bromide is heated with excess of alcoholic ammonia, इथे इथेन ब्रोमाइड आलं. इट इज नॉट इथेन ब्रोमाइड, इट इज इथाइल ब्रोमाइड. When ethyl bromide or bromoethane is the IUPAC name. When ethyl bromide is heated with excess of alcoholic ammonia, Br is replaced by NH2 group and it produces ethylamine along with HBr. Okay. Next reaction with alcoholic potassium cyanide, KCN, potassium cyanide. Reaction with potassium cyanide, alcoholic potassium cyanide. When methyl bromide is heated with alcoholic potassium cyanide, it produces methyl cyanide, acetonitrile, methyl cyanide, CH3-C triple bond N, CH3-C triple bond N. When methyl bromide is heated with alcoholic potassium cyanide, it produces methyl cyanide. It is also known as acetonitrile and IUPAC name is ethane nitrile along with KBr. This is also an example of substitution reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Next one, when ethyl bromide is heated with alcoholic solution of potassium cyanide, it produces ethyl cyanide, that is propane nitrile along with KBr. And last reaction for this, last example for this reaction is isopropyl bromide, that is CH3-CH-CH3-Br, that is isopropyl bromide is heated with alcoholic potassium cyanide. It produces isopropyl cyanide, that is 2-methyl propane nitrile, 2-methyl propane nitrile along with KBr. Okay. Next one, next nucleophilic substitution reaction with alcoholic silver cyanide. Silver cyanide means AgCN. Silver cyanide means AgCN. When methyl bromide is heated with alcoholic silver cyanide, it produces isocyanide, methyl isocyanide, methyl isocyanide. In cyanide group, nitrogen atom get attracted towards alkyl group and it produces isocyanide. Methyl bromide when heated with alcoholic solution of silver cyanide, it produces methyl isocyanide along with AgBr. When ethyl bromide is heated with alcoholic solution of silver cyanide, it produces ethyl isocyanide plus AgBr. And when isopropyl bromide is heated with alcoholic solution of silver cyanide, it produces isopropyl isocyanide, okay, plus AgBr. Potassium cyanide produces cyanide. Potassium cyanide when heated with alkyl halide, it produces alkyl cyanide, but silver cyanide when heated with alkyl halide, it produces alkyl isocyanide. This is the difference between reaction of potassium cyanide and silver cyanide. Once again, what is the difference between potassium cyanide and silver cyanide when it is reacted with alkyl halide? potassium cyanide with alkyl halide produces alkyl cyanide, and silver cyanide when reacted with alkyl halide it produces alkyl isocyanide. Okay, so this is the reaction. Now reaction with potassium nitride, these reactions are not given in your textbook. So when alkyl halide is heated with potassium nitride means K positive charge, O negative charge, single bond, N double bond O, it is known as potassium nitride. When alkyl halide is reacted with potassium nitride, it produces alkyl nitrite along with KX. Okay, and when silver nitride, that is silver nitride means Ag dash O single bond, O single bond, N double bond O, this is silver nitride. Okay, when silver nitride is reacted with alkyl halide, it produces nitroalkane having chemical formula R dash N single bond O double bond O, oxygen carry negative charge and central nitrogen atom carry positive charge. This is known as nitroalkane plus AgX. Okay, so these are the 8 chemical reactions. Okay, now next and very important part, that is SN2 reaction mechanism. This is very important part, SN2 and SN1 reaction. This is a very important part of this lesson. SN1 किंवा SN2 या दोघांपैकी एक क्वेश्चन विचारला जातो बोर्डाला, त्यामुळे because of that these two parts are very important. So what will be the question asked in board examination? So the question will be like this: discuss the mechanism of alkaline hydrolysis of methyl bromide with energy profile diagram. For SN2 reaction, primary alkyl halide undergoes SN2 reaction and tertiary alkyl halide undergoes SN1 reaction. See carefully, primary alkyl halide shows SN2 reaction and tertiary alkyl halide shows SN1 reaction. Okay, so discuss the mechanism of alkaline hydrolysis of methyl bromide. Methyl bromide is primary alkyl halide with energy profile diagram. So this is an example of SN2 reaction. Or discuss the mechanism of alkaline hydrolysis of alkyl halide in which 100% inversion of configuration take place with energy profile diagram. So primary alkyl halide undergoes 100% inversion of configuration and tertiary alkyl halide undergoes 50% inversion of configuration and 50% retention of configuration. Inversion, primary alkyl halide undergoes 100% inversion of configuration and tertiary alkyl halide undergoes 50% inversion of configuration and 50% retention of configuration. So once again, what is the question? Discuss the mechanism of alkaline hydrolysis of alkyl halide in which 100% of inversion of configuration take place with energy profile diagram. So it is SN1 or SN2. It is an example of SN2 reaction mechanism because of SN2 reaction mechanism undergoes 100% inversion of configuration. Okay, and the answer देखो क्या है. First of all, SN2 reaction, it is for half mark. First point for definition for SN2 reaction, the bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction is called SN2 reaction. Bimolecular न्यूक्लिओफिलिक, तिथं न्यूक्लिओफिलिक राहिलेला आहे मध्ये, डेफिनेशनला अर्धा मार्क आहे बघा. ही पूर्ण this part is divided into different parts and each part carry marks, half mark, 1 mark, etc. So definition, it is for half mark. SN2 reaction, what is the definition? The bimolecular nucleophilic नहीं है तिथे, the bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, it's called SN2 reaction. Okay, this carry half mark. Second point carry half mark. When methyl bromide is heated with aqueous solution of NaOH, it undergoes hydrolysis reaction to give methyl alcohol. This carry half mark. Reaction also, CH3-Br plus NaOH undergoes hydrolysis, it produces methyl alcohol plus NaBr. Theory along with reaction carry half mark. बघा, when methyl bromide is heated with aqueous solution of NaOH, it undergoes hydrolysis reaction to give methyl alcohol, CH3Br plus NaOH. Hydrolysis gives CH3OH plus NaBr. This carry half mark. Okay. Next point, it carry half mark. That is kinetic expression. Kinetic expression, it is for half mark. What is the part involved in kinetic expression? The rate of hydrolysis of the reaction depends on the concentration of methyl bromide and nucleophile OH minus ion. Once again, the rate of hydrolysis of the reaction depends on the concentration of methyl bromide and nucleophile OH minus ion. That is R means rate. Rate is directly proportional to concentration of methyl bromide into concentration of OH minus. R is directly proportional to concentration of methyl bromide into concentration of OH minus. So therefore R is equal to K. K is known as rate constant, proportionality constant. R is equal to K into concentration of methyl bromide into concentration of OH minus. OH minus is nucleophile. Okay. So where K is proportionality constant called rate constant. Hence it is bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why it is bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction? Because rate depends on two reactants, methyl bromide and OH minus. So that's why it is a bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. So this carry half mark. This is known as kinetic expression. Kinetic expression, it is for half mark. Total mark किती झाले बघा? डेफिनेशनला अर्धा मार्क, रिॲक्शनची थेअरी आहे त्याला थेअरी अँड रिॲक्शनला अर्धा मार्क आणि कायनेटिक एक्सप्रेशन 1.5 मार्क झालं. ओके. नाउ मेकॅनिझम ऑफ SN2 रिॲक्शन. मेकॅनिझममध्ये बघा, इट इज वन स्टेप कंटिन्युअस प्रोसेस. It is one step continuous process and the reaction can be take place in the following steps. It is one step continuous process and the reaction can be take place in the following steps. Number 1, approach of nucleophile, and number 2, formation of product. Number 1, approach of nucleophile and formation of product. Okay. So this carry 1 mark. नाव थेरॉटिकल पार्ट हे पूर्ण लिहायचं आहे बघा. मेकॅनिझम ऑफ रिॲक्शन पूर्ण टोटली 1 मार्कला आहे. मेकॅनिझम ऑफ रिॲक्शन दिस इज इट इज वन स्टेप कंटिन्युअस प्रोसेस सगळं लिहायचं. पुढचा थेरॉटिकल पार्ट बघा तो सुद्धा लिहायचा आहे आणि रिॲक्शन लिहायचे आहे. त्याला 1 मार्क 1.5 मार्क असेल. 1.5 मार्क. मेकॅनिझम ऑफ रिॲक्शन पूर्ण थिअरी अर्ध्या मार्कला आणि रिॲक्शन 1 मार्कला आहे, लक्षात ठेवा. ओके. सो व्हॉट इज द थेरॉटिकल पार्ट? द न्यूक्लियोफाइल हायड्रॉक्साइड आयन. The nucleophile hydroxide ion slowly approaches to the carbon atom from the opposite side of Br atom along C-Br bond axis. This is known as backside attack. The nucleophile hydroxide ion slowly approaches to the carbon atom from the opposite side of bromide atom along C-Br bond axis. This is known as backside attack. Due to approach of nucleophile, the C-Br bond starts breaking. The C-Br bonds are partially broken and C-OH bond is partially formed. The negative charge is shared by both the incoming nucleophile OH minus and outgoing group Br. This state is known as transition state. At this state, the central carbon atom is attached to 5 substituents. At transition state, the central carbon atom which is attached to 5 substituents. Which 5 substituents? 3 hydrogen, 1 Br and 1 OH. So 5 substituents. At the transition state, the 3 hydrogen atoms attached to carbon lie in one plane and perpendicular to the OH-C-Br bond axis. Okay. Due to approach of nucleophile, the 3 hydrogen atoms attached to carbon move totally from one side to the another side. Due to approach of nucleophile, the 3 hydrogen atoms attached to carbon move totally from one side to the another side. This is known as 100% inversion of configuration. Okay. Reaction दाखवलेली आहे बघा. OH minus, that is nucleophile, methyl bromide. Initially, the 3 hydrogen atoms attached to carbon lies on left hand side. Due to the approach of nucleophile, hydrogen atoms moves and come in one plane and it produces transition state, and transition state decomposes fast and it produces methyl alcohol, and after the formation of methyl alcohol, the 3 hydrogen atoms attached to carbon move totally from left hand side to the right hand side. So that's why it is known as inversion of configuration. D part कोण झाला? Br minus. Okay. So this point carry 1.5 mark from mechanism of SN2 रिॲक्शन टू दिस रिॲक्शन. मेकॅनिझमपासून या रिॲक्शनपर्यंत 1.5 मार्क आहे. ओके, this is mechanism and this is the energy profile diagram for SN2 reaction. एनर्जी प्रोफाईल डायग्रामला 1 मार्क आहे. ओके, इथे एक्स ॲक्सिस वाय ॲक्सिसच्या इथं इनिशियली 0 द्यायचं आहे आणि एक्स ॲक्सिसवरती प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ रिॲक्शन आणि वाय ॲक्सिसवरती पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी कर दाखवायचं एकच. इथे लेफ्ट हँड साईडला कर्व जिथून स्टार्ट झालेला आहे तिथे रिॲक्टन कोण आहेत, रिॲक्टन CH3-Br अँड OH मायनस अँड प्रॉडक्ट्स आर मिथाइल अल्कोहोल CH3-OH प्लस Br मायनस. ओके, अँड मध्ये दिलेला आहे डेल्टा ई मीन्स ट्रान्झिशन्स एनर्जी ऑफ ॲक्टिवेशन. डेल्टा ई मीन्स एनर्जी ऑफ ॲक्टिवेशन आणि इथे वरचं द अप्पर पार्ट इट इज नोन ॲज ट्रान्झिशन स्टेट. इथे प्रॉडक्ट आणि इथे एक पॉईंट लिहायचं राहिलेला आहे डेल्टा एच. इथे प्रॉडक्ट आणि या ॲरोच्या मध्ये डेल्टा एच. सो दिस इज द एनर्जी प्रोफाईल डायग्राम फॉर SN2 रिॲक्शन मेकॅनिझम. ओके, पुढे आपण SN1 रिॲक्शन मेकॅनिझम नंतर बघूया. थँक्यू, उद्या बघूया. थँक्यू. दिस इज टुडेज पार्ट.